Where was the giant anaconda, the world's largest ever discovered, found?
Amazon rainforest.
In which city will the Coal Ministry organize the East Zonal Conference on PM Gati Shakti?
Bhubaneswar.
What is the projected GDP growth for India in the fiscal year 2024-25 according to FICCI's Economic Outlook Survey?
7%.
What is the main objective of the Mitra Van initiative launched by the Uttar Pradesh government?
Planting saplings.
Which organization developed the NAG ATGM and the Helena Dhruvastra missile?
Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO.
Which one of the following countries recently signed a new agreement to build Australia's Essinoku submarines?
US, UK, and Australia.
Which country is planning to test the Astra Mark II air-to-air missile with a 130 kilometers range?
India.
When is National Energy Conservation Day celebrated in India to acknowledge achievements in energy efficiency?
14th December.
Which city hosted the G20 Development Ministers meeting in India?
Varanasi.
India is set to start supplying diesel to which country through a friendship pipeline?
Bangladesh.
In which Indian state has the police launched WhatsApp channels for its headquarters and all district units, becoming one of the first in the country to do so?
Uttar Pradesh.
By what percentage did India's coal production grow in August 2023?
12.85%.
Which state government has approved a 33% reservation for women in the police force?
Rajasthan.
Deenbandhu Chotu Ram Thermal Power Plant, recently seen in the news, is located in which country?
Haryana.
Which city's lieutenant governor approved 24/7 operations for 32 establishments?
Delhi.
Which Indian state has declared the Gupteshwar Forest as its fourth biodiversity heritage site, BHS?
Odisha.
Which state recently passed a bill banning hookah parlors?
Telangana.
In which Indian state is the construction of the world's largest Ramayan temple currently underway?
Bihar.
Namboothiri, who recently passed away, belonged to which profession?
Artist.
By which year does BPCL aim to achieve its net zero targets by developing a diesel-ethanol blend to reduce emissions?
2040.
Where has a solar-powered cloth bag ATM been installed?
Hyderabad.
During General Manoj Pandey's visit in April 2024, which country's Academy of Armed Forces saw the inauguration of a high-tech IT laboratory?
Uzbekistan.
Which country has unveiled a semiconductor strategy to minimize its dependence on Asian production?
UK.
Which state expanded Special Development Council (SDC) intervention in tribal areas from 9 to 23 districts?
Odisha.
In which country was the world's tallest competitive swimming pool opened?
Bhutan.
Which country's player, Eoin Morgan, announced his retirement from all formats of cricket?
England.
With which Indian state has Paytm Payment Services Limited collaborated to foster the startup ecosystem?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Which organization signed a nuclear cooperation agreement with Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited?
Emirates Nuclear Energy Corporation.
In which state were 246 vultures spotted in a synchronized survey along with Tamil Nadu and Kerala?
Karnataka.
Which company received approval from the Competition Commission of India (CCI) for the complete acquisition of Lanco Amraknatak Power Limited?
Adani Power Limited.
Which country has the highest rate of workplace burnout in 2023, according to a McKinsey Health Institute survey?
India.
Which state has become the first state to establish a committee for the conservation of seeds preserved by tribal farmers?
Odisha.
What is the primary objective of the Agri-Estuary Fund that the government plans to launch?
Boost agri startups.
Recently, India launched biopharmaceutical alliance with which countries?
US, Japan and South Korea.
Sominsai Festival, recently seen in the news, is associated with which country?
Japan.
In which continent has the WHO granted approval for its first Mpox vaccine for adults?
Africa.
Hussein, who made headlines, is the Prime Minister of which country?
Cambodia.
What is the name of the innovative indoor solar cooking system developed by Indian Oil and promoted in collaboration with EKI Energy Services?
Surya Nutan.
In which year did the Malabar Naval Exercise, a bilateral naval exercise between India and the US Navy, first begin?
1992.
Which bank gave banks time until the end of December 2023 to complete the renewal of agreements for existing safe deposit lockers of customers?
RBI.